Today, we're going to explore 3 of the best uninstaller apps for Android. Let's dive in and see how each of these apps can simplify your uninstall process and free up some much-needed storage space. Revo Uninstaller Mobile. Revo Uninstaller Mobile is a powerful tool designed to provide users with a comprehensive solution for uninstalling apps on their Android devices. This app not only helps you remove unwanted applications, but also cleans up residual files left behind after uninstallation, ensuring that no traces of the app remain. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate through installed apps, and it offers features such as batch uninstalling, which allows users to remove multiple apps at once. Additionally, Revo Uninstaller Mobile provides detailed information about each app, including installation date and size, helping you make informed decisions about what to remove. Uninstaller App. The Uninstaller app is a straightforward, no-frills application designed for users who want a quick and efficient way to uninstall apps from their Android devices. This app allows you to view all your installed applications in a simple list format, making it easy to select and remove any unwanted apps. One of its standout features is batch uninstallation, which enables users to select multiple apps for removal at the same time, saving precious time. Moreover, the Uninstaller app provides sorting options to help you manage your applications better, such as sorting by size or installation date. Its intuitive design and functionality make it ideal for those looking for a hassle-free uninstallation experience. Uninstaller App Android. Uninstaller App Android is another effective tool for managing your installed applications. This app focuses on delivering an efficient uninstallation process, while also offering useful features like app sorting and filtering options. Users can easily navigate through their apps to find and remove unwanted ones, and the app supports batch uninstalling for added convenience. Uninstaller App Android provides detailed information about each application, helping users to make decisions based on app size and usage frequency. Thanks for watching. We hope this rundown of Revo Uninstaller Mobile, Uninstaller App, and Uninstaller App Android has helped you find the perfect tool for managing your apps. Until next time, keep your device organized and enjoy a smoother user experience.